Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to break into world of software development or you're trying to land that next job, today's video is for you. We are talking all about building a killer software developer portfolio that will grab the attention of hiring managers. So grab your coffee and let's dive in. Okay, so first things first, why do you need a portfolio? You might be thinking, I've got my resume, my LinkedIn profile. What more do they need? And I get it. But a portfolio is your opportunity to show exactly what you can do, not just tell people what you have done. It's a place where you can demonstrate your skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities in a way that makes you stand out. Trust me, hiring managers love portfolios, right? Let's get into the good stuff. Here's what you should include in your developer portfolio to make it stand out. An eye-catching introduction. The first thing a hiring manager will see is your introduction. Think of it like your digital handshake. It should be clear, concise, and tell them who you are. Include a brief paragraph about yourself, your background, and what you specialize in. Maybe even a fun fact to make you memorable. If you have a tagline like passionate about building clean, scalable app, include it. And if you can add a nice professional photo of yourself, that's always a plus. Just don't go overboard with the selfies, okay? Your project, show off your work. Now the heart of your portfolio is your projects. You want to showcase your best work, the projects you are proud of and that demonstrates your technical expertise. Choose projects that highlight your skills, whether it's a website or mobile app or even something related to AI, data science or game development. And please, don't just put up random code snippets. Show the projects in action. A demo link is must. Make sure your projects are hosted somewhere, like on GitHub Pages, Heroku or Netlify, so hiring managers can actually interact with them. Detailed descriptions and challenges overcome. For each project, explain the problem you were trying to solve and how you went about solving it. What technologies did you use? What challenges did you face? How did you overcome them? This is your chance to show your problem-solving skills and demonstrate your technical depth. If you faced a bug that took you hours to fix, don't be afraid to talk about it. That's where learning happens. Hiring managers appreciate seeing your growth and determination. List out the technologies, frameworks, and tools you used for each project. If you are working with React, Node.js, MongoDB, or any other tech stack, make it clear. This helps hiring managers quickly assess if your skills align with their job requirement. Don't forget about any tool that you have used for version control, testing, or deployment. You would be surprised how many devs forget to mention tools like Git, Docker, or Jenkins, which are so important in the industry. Alright, let's talk about code quality. You must link your GitHub account on your portfolio. This is where hiring managers can go, check out your code, see how clean and maintainable it is, and get a sense of your coding style. If you have got multiple repos, organize them with meaningful commit messages, descriptive README files, and well-structured code. Here's a pro tip. Try to make your GitHub public and clean. No messy, half-finished projects. A solid GitHub profile speaks volumes about your professionalism. If you like writing or if you have written any tutorials, blogs, and technical articles, include them in your portfolio. This is a great way to demonstrate your communication skills and your ability to explain complex ideas in a simple way. Plus, it helps show that you're passionate about continuous learning. Blogging is also a great way to show that you are keeping up with trends in tech. Even if you have only written a couple of posts, sharing your learning journey is powerful. Okay, we have covered the content. Now let's talk about design. Hiring managers don't just care about your skills. They care about how you present them. Your portfolio needs to look polished and professional. Keep it simple. You don't need a complex design to impress. Keep things clean and easy to navigate. Too many flashy elements can distract from your work. Responsive design. Your portfolio should look good on all devices, especially on mobile. Hiring managers are probably viewing it on their phones or tablets, so make sure it's responsive. Fast load time. No one likes a slow website. Keep your images optimized and your code light to make sure your portfolio loads quickly. Consistent branding. Use a consistent color scheme and typography that reflects your personal brand. Right? A few final tips to wrap things up. Personalize your domain name. Having your own custom domain, something like this, adds credibility. Add a contact section. Make it easy for hiring managers to reach you. Include contact form or at least an email address. Keep it updated. Your portfolio isn't one and done thing. Keep adding new projects, updating your skills, and showing what you're currently working on. And there you have it, a killer developer portfolio that will absolutely make hiring managers take notice. Remember, it's not just about coding skill. It's about showcasing how you solve problems, how you communicate, and how you present your work. So get building. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want more tips on building your career as a software developer. Also, drop a comment below and let me know if you have any portfolio tips of your own. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!